Hi guys, welcome back. So today I treated the Smokey eye with nude lips. So let's get started. So first I'm using this lenses from Smokey. Now I'm gonna prep my skin using this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. So I'm using gel-based moisturizer because I have oily skin, and if you have dry skin, you can go for the cream-based moisturizer. To hydrate my lips, I'm using this Lanyard's Lip Sleeping Mask. So because we are doing smoky eyes, so I'm gonna do my eyes first. That I'm using this concealer palette from Makeup Studio. I'm using this brown shade on my crease. Now I'm going to use this black shadow on my eyelids. Also, to prevent any fall off, I'm using this L'Oreal True Match Mattifying Powder. It's a loose powder, I'm using it under my eyes. Now I'm gonna blend the black eyeshadow. So now with this small blending brush, it's from PAC. I'm using this lighter shade of brown on my crease line just to blend it. So for my under eyes, I'm using this Colorescence gel liner. I'll smudge it with the brush. Now coming to the brows, I'm using this brush, and one side it has this spoolie and another side it has this angular shape for filling your brows. So first I'm gonna comb my brows with this spoolie. I'm gonna take this pencil from L'Oreal, but I'm not applying it with the pencil, I'm applying it with the brush. So I'm taking it like this. Now I'm taking this concealer palette again to conceal my brows. So because my eyes are completed, let's dust off this loose powder which we have applied. So coming to the face, I'm gonna apply this primer from Color Bar. It's a perfect match primer. using this Color Bar Skin Radiant Foundation in the shade 003 Bench Mild. For contouring, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. So after contouring, I'm going to take this powder contour from NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt palette in the shade Medium. So after contouring, I'm going to use this blush from Color Bar in the shades U11 Bronzing Place. Now it's time for a highlighter. Yes, so I'm using this highlighter from Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. Now I'm gonna put these lashes. Now I'm gonna use this loose pigment from Color Bar in the shade Candy Pop 020. Now I'm using this metallic shade on the inner corners of my eyes. And under my eyebrows, I'm going to use this highlighter from NYX palette. Now moving to the lips, I'm using this Color Bar lip definer in the shade Chocolate Brown. I'm using this lip shade from Huda Beauty in the shade Venus. So this is the final look. I hope you like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification if I upload my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.